Welcome back to Hostpark CH channel and back to Python series. So some of the topics recently left here. So the topics we are going to cover as well as theory as well as the particle session. I am going to show in the Python ID 3.8.0 like that. Very simple example. Today we have to see about the looping statements of Python. So already know decision making statement, if else everything. There is no switch statement in the Python similar to C language. So we have alternative, you can go if else and elif like that. Now we come to the loop statement, because one of the important statement in the Python sometime we are using. Generally, what is the purpose of loop statement? A loop statement allows us to execute a statement or group of statements in multiple times, and we will see there are two things is there: while loop and the for loop, and last one is the nested loop. That means a loop consists of another loop, outer loop, inner loop, similar to the C or some other program languages. So you know what is the use of loop statement? It allows to execute a statement or group of statements. If you want to print the statement group of the statements, you can, or and also multiple times you can use the loop statement. Now come to the while loop. What is the use of while loop in Python? The while loop is used to execute a block of statements repeatedly until a given condition is satisfied. And also when the condition becomes false, the line immediately after the loop in program is executed. So whenever you use the while loop, it will execute a block of statement as well as the condition starts till condition is true, it will execute. Once condition false or something happen, it will come out the loop, out of the loop. Sorry. So before that you know the syntax. The syntax of the while loop: while expression colon single colon only, then statements. Very simple one. Okay. Then we give a small example here. What kind of example is it? Very small 2-line program. So I is equal to 1, I am writing, and while I less than equal to 5, and print a follow. So what is the statement saying? First of all, when I go to the while statement, you can use the initially variable I is equal to 1. Then I am writing while I less than equal to 5. That means the I value still reach 5, it will go and print the word called hello. So we can use simply the while. So first time what happened? And. So and also we need the increment operator similar to C language. So what will happen here? First I is equal to 1, then while I less than equal to 5, then print hello. Because I value is 1, it's less than 5. And then I am giving I is equal to I plus 1. So what will happen? Already 1 is there, 1 plus 1, it will come 2. So again the condition will go and go on here. So it will run again. So now the I value is 2, then 2 is less than equal to 5. So print it will again print the word hello. And come to the here. So I value is 2 here, 2 plus 1 3. So I value is 3 means what? Here I value 3 come to the top of the variable here. So again 3 less than equal to 5, it will come out. Simultaneously it will come for 5th time. So once it reach 4 plus 1 5, what will happen? 5 will become, once if you take 5 means not possible, because we are executed here. The condition true in the while statement, once value equal to 5, less than or equal to 5. So finally we print the hello word in the 5 times. I will execute also. First we see these parts. So it's a very simple one. Then for loop. What is the use of for loop? These are used for sequential traversal and also used for iterating over a sequence, that is either a list, a tuple, dictionary, a set, or a string, anything. So you can do anything with the for loop. There is no need of increment operator, condition, etc. Just you can use for where you want to print all the variables or values one by one. So the syntax is for iterator underscore x var in sequence and statements. So previously we see what is range function like that. So where we can use the range function with the for loop is very useful in the Python program development. Now we come to the small example. So how can you use the for loop? So based on the syntax, first I am going to write x equal to CSE, comma I am writing the var 20, 23, 5. So I want to print all the values one by one. You can use the for. So for I in x, that means for I in x means what are the values in the for loop? X, it will print one by one. So if I give print of I, that means what are the things in the strings and the numbers in the list, it will print CSE 20, 23, 51 like that. And moreover, I can say runtime example. So if you want print first 10 numbers, what you can means you can use the range operator. So for example, I can write for, I'm not showing it, but write for I, not leave this one. So for I in range of 10 and print of I. So what will happen? It will print first 10 numbers. So like that you can use the range operator also. Then you come to the next one, next loop. What is the next loop? It's a loop inside another loop. The inner loop will be executed one time for each iteration of the output loop. So I'll show the small example, few line example here. So I'm going to write a Python script here, that is num underscore list equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3. Then another thing, another list called another loop, another variable I have to give alpha underscore list of a comma b comma c. Then I am going to use the for loop 2 times, that is for number in number underscore list. That means for number means what are the number list will it will print one by one. And another, this is called outer loop, and I am going to use another print of number. Then I am going to use another loop called letter in. This alpha letter, no, this is another list. So for letter in alpha underscore list, and going to have to print the value, print letter. So what will happen here? So you will told once outer loop executed, it will go and execute the inner loop. Once these are completed, again it come to the same top of the program. So what happened here? Num underscore list 1 comma 2 comma 3 means what happened here? For number in num underscore, so print of number. So it take first 1 and it come to the inner loop and execute the letter. First letter is A. Similarly, it 1 and A, outer loop, inner loop. Again it come to the top, and next num list, what is the variable? 2. So 2, and it take a value from the alpha, another list called B. So it print 2B, and simultaneously come out here outer loop, inner loop, again outer loop, inner loop. So it come 3C. So like that, to print one by one. I execute also. Thank you for watching the video. 1 second. So I go to the Python 3.8 ID already told. So I'm going to open the program. Already has stored the program to save the time. Open. The desktop have 3 programs. Sorry, example for this one. So first one, loop 1, while so loop 1. So this is an example for understanding the while loop based on the syntax. So first I am giving I is equal to 1. Just now I told while I less than equal to 5, print hello, and I is equal to I plus 1. So similar to C language only, just I am going to run the program. So what will happen if no traceback error means it will show the output hello, 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 hello 5 times like this. So the way of using the while loop. So you can use while loop in Python also. Then you come to the next program, next thing, loop 2, that is for loop. So and moreover, while is one of the keyword. Then loop 2. So here just now I am told x equal to CSC in the list. I am creating a list. In the list I am giving x equal to CSC, comma 20, comma 23, comma 550 like that. So I want to print everything one by one. So I can use a for I in ix, then print of I. I am going to run the thing, that is F5 button. So it's executed as a CSC 20, 23, 50 like that. This is a way of understanding the for loop. Then you come to the next one. That is loop 3, that is a nested loop. So I can do nested loop, nested loop while also. Check. So carefully see. Okay, here I told we are creating the num underscore list and alpha underscore list, and we have to print the outer, this is the outer loop and this is the inner loop. So once there is no error, it will print 1A, 2B, 3C, and again come and print like this. I'll show the output here. We generate the output like this only. See, 1A, then 1A, BC, then sorry, 1A, BC, and 2A, BC, 2A, BC, and 3A, BC. So every time outer loop will go through it inner loop, and again from the num list it go to second value, and again go with for outer loop, inner loop, and again outer loop, inner loop. Simultaneously go and complete the task. So I am showing the program again. So here, so sorry if I in really anything wrong. So num equal to 1 and print 1 ABC, all the values 1 by 1, because outer loop and inner loop, what are the information that it will print. We are given the statement here. Then 2 for and more for is the keyword here, and 2 when you come to the 2 and again print the alpha list A B C, like that, and finally what is the value here? 3. So again it will go and execute the inner loop, that is 3 ABC, like that. So this is the way of using the looping statement in the Python. Thank you for watching video. Please subscribe and share, comment. Thank you.